time to get back to work on Corolla project today. If you couldn't tell, I've got a new tripod and you're gonna have to look at me more. Sorry. So I'm getting kind of sick of doing this bodywork stuff, and I think I'm gonna do a little mechanical work today just to kind of break things up. So let's get started. Alright, today I'm gonna work on getting this booster out. I gotta swap this booster and the clutch master cylinder. So I've already got it loose on the inside. Get this brake proportion valve out of the way. Might have to loosen these lines, we'll see. Let's see what's hanging me up. Alright, forgot to pull the pin out of the clevis, so let's see if I can get this off now. Excellent. What do I got here? Looks like I'm going to need a 10 mil to get that loose. It's out. Clutch master cylinder has a pin through the clevis for the clutch pedal, one bolt on the inside underneath the dash you'll have to get to through the pedal, and this one right here. This is a SR5 line in an old crusty cylinder, which is why I'm taking it out. GTSs have it on the far side, on the passenger side. SR5s are on the driver's side, so this is no good to me. Oh, while I got it apart, I'm gonna clean up some of this grime. Just a little simple green. And a nylon brush. You can see the difference here of the GTS versus the SR5 clutch master cylinder and lines. That's the SR5 and that's the GTS. You can make one if you don't have one, it's not too big of a deal, but I just happen to have both factory pieces. Okay, with everything cleaned up, I can line up all the correct GTS stuff, get it bolted in. Okay, well, there's a problem. I'm gonna have to drop my fuel lines to get that slave cylinder in place. I'll be back. I don't need too much, just enough to wiggle this line around. See if that's enough. That might be. Tell you what, I'm gonna pull this back loose. There we go, give it up. Beautiful. Did some off-camera work. Needed to get this brake booster painted up. Looks a lot better now. So all the brake and clutch master systems are installed, hooked up and tight. So I think I'm ready for a pretty big step here. Let's put this in.